How much more is the largest share than the smallest share? So, sabi sa problem, ang sum daw ng ratio na 8:7:4:1 is 120,000. So, let natin as 8x, 7x, and 4x, and 1x yung hatian ng magkakapatid, which is equal to 120,000. So, just add. So, 8 plus 7 plus 4 plus 1, that is 20x is equal to 120,000. Divide both sides by 20. Sorry. So, 120,000 divided by 20. That is 6,000. So, ang value ng x natin is 6,000. So, para makuha natin yung amount na makukuha ng bawat magkakapatid, isa-substitute lang natin yung x dito sa bawat terms. Okay. Pero ang tinatanong lang naman yung how much more yung largest share, which is 8x, and than the smallest share, which is 1x. So, subtract lang natin silang dalawa. So, to get the value of this, substitute 6,000. So, 8 times 6,000, that is 48,000. So, 1 times 6,000, that is 6,000. So, subtract. So, 42,000. So, mas malaki yung share nito ni 8x ng 42,000 than sa 1x. Ayan, medyo malas si 1x. Next question. Angle A and angle C are opposite angles in a parallelogram. If measure angle A is equal to 84 degrees, what is measure of angle C? So, tandaan nyo lang, ito yung figure natin kay parallelogram. Ayan. So, this is Anyway. Next, so yung properties ni parallelogram is yung opposite angles niya are always congruent. Okay? So, meaning kung si angle A, sabihin natin itong si angle A at angle C, so 84 degrees ito, so therefore, this is also 84 degrees. Letter B. Next question. What is the original number when a certain number is tripled and then divided by 8 if after 25 from the result, 1 gets 68. So, ilet natin yung x as a number. Let x be the number. So, sabi sa problem, si number daw na ito, si x, triniple daw siya. So, 3 times or thrice as x. Okay? Then, dinivide kay 8. So, after daw, sinubtract siya kay 25. And ang nakuha is 68. Ayan. So, solve natin yung value ni x. So, divide na, wait lang. So, add both sides si 25. 68 plus 25. 68 plus 25. So, that is 93. Over 8. Then next, anong pwede natin gawin? So, next, multiply natin both sides 8. So, this is cancelled. This is cancelled. So, 3x is equal to 93 times 8. 744. Divide both sides si 3. So, 744 divided by 3, that is 248. So, letter C. Ay, napakita na yung sagot. So, it is a set of points in a plane equidistant from a fixed line called directrix, a fixed point called focus. So, sagot dyan is parabola. But, define muna natin yung ating conic sections. So, si circle po is set of points in a plane equidistant from a fixed point called center. So, from the fixed point called center, equidistant daw po ito sa circumference na ito. Okay? So, meaning, lahat ng radius nito is always congruent. Next, hyperbola. Set of points in a plane such that the difference of the distances of each point from the two fixed points is constant. So, visualize natin siya. Parang ganito yung itsura ni hyperbola. Ganyan. Combination siya ng dalawang parabola. Okay? So, next, we have the ellipse. So, si ellipse is set of points in a plane such that the sum of the distances of each point from the two fixed points is always constant. So, ganito yung tsura ni ellipse. Yan. Next. Si parabola naman. So, si parabola, set of points in a plane equidistant from a fixed line called directrix and fixed point called focus. So, kung ito, sorry, ulitin natin siya. Ayan. So, kung ito yung ating parabola, sabi, set of points in a plane equidistant from a fixed line which is the directrix. So, ito yung ating directrix. Itong line na to. And a fixed point called focus. Ayan. So, this is focus. Focus. Ayan. So, itong dalawang to ay congruent. So, paano naman itong line na to? So, this is what we call the latus rectum. If ever maitanong siya sa inyo sa board exam. Next question. How many roots does function f of x is equal to 2x squared minus 8x plus 10? So, gamitin po natin si discriminant. So, ano po si discriminant? That is b squared minus 4ac. Ayan po si discriminant. Discriminant. So, tandaan nyo po, kapag yung result, kapag sinubstitute nyo yung mga numerical coefficients kay b squared minus 4ac, kapag greater than 0 siya, or a positive value, yung roots po are always real. Roots are real and unequal. Kapag equal naman siya kay 0, roots are real and equal. Paano naman po kapag less than 0 or negative value yung nakuha nyo? So, roots are imaginary or no real roots. So, try natin gamitin itong equation na ito. So, ang ating A is 2. B is negative 8. C is 10. So, substitute natin siya dito. So, negative 8 squared minus 4. A is 2. C is 10. So, negative 8 squared, 64. So, 4 times 2 is 8 times 10, that is 80. So, 64 minus 80, that is negative 16. So, nakuha natin is less than 0 or negative value. So, meaning, ang roots nito are imaginary or no real roots. So, answer here is letter D. Next, what is the area of a triangle with vertices 3, 0, negative 1, 5, negative 4, and 0? So, actually, pwede kayong gumamit dito ng distance formula para makuha nyo yung length ng sides. Length ng sides per each from the 2 points. Okay? So, tapos pwede kayong gumamit ng Pythagorean theorem or properties ng triangle. Pero para hindi kayo mahirapan dyan, ganito lang gawin nyo. Ito yung technique ko dyan. Mag-drawing kayo ng Cartesian plane. Tapos, i-plot nyo yung mga points. So, the first one is 3, 0. So, 3. So, ito yung first natin. Next, negative 1. So, negative 1. And 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, this is it. Ayan. How about, so, align natin siya ng konti. Ayan. Next, negative 4, 0. 1, 2, 3, I'm sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, this is negative 4, 0. And, i-drawing natin yung triangle. Sorry. Oh, hindi na naman siya. Anyway, so basta ito siya. Ayan. Ayan, nag-math major ako, hindi marunong mag-drawing. Ayan. Okay. So, meron na tayo ngayong triangle. So, alam nyo naman yung formula for the area of triangle is base times height over 2. So, kuhanin lang natin yung base dito. So, count natin. So, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, sorry, 4. Tama naman, tama. Yan. So, again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, ang base natin, which is this, is 7. How about the height? So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, height is 5. So, now, we can substitute it here. So, area of triangle is 7 times 5 over 2. So, 35 divided by 2. That is 17.5 or 17 and 1/2. So, answer here is letter B. Next question. What is the equation of the normal line to the curve y is equal to 4x squared plus 8x at point negative 2, negative 4? So, the first step nyo rito is to get the slope. So, or the slope of the tangent line. Okay? So, paano ba natin makukuha yung slope of the tangent line? So, naalala nyo po ba yung concept ni derivatives? So, dy over dx. So, this, kapag sinubstitute natin yung value ni x sa given nating equation, after natin makuha yung derivatives, makukuha po natin yung slope of the tangent line. So, 4x squared plus 8x plus 5. So, ang gamitin nating value ni x is negative 2 based din sa given. So, natin negative 2, 4. So, x and y. So, to get the derivatives, just multiply the exponent to the numerical coefficient. So, 2 times 4. That is 8. Then, minus 1 yung exponent. So, 8x. Then, meron itong exponent na 1. So, 1 times 8. So, 8. So, 1 minus 1 is 0. Okay? And the derivative of a constant is 0. So, 8 is equal to negative 2. Just substitute 8 times negative 2 plus 8. So, this is negative 16 plus 8. That is negative 8. And after nyo makuha ito, para makuha nyo yung slope, get the negative reciprocal of this. So, negative 8. So, that is 1/8. Okay? Just get the negative reciprocal and then use the 2-point slope form. So y minus y sub 1 is equal to m x minus x sub 1. Then just substitute the given values. So y, this is negative, right? So y plus 4, negative and negative, that is positive. Then slope is 8. X is, so x, negative and negative, that is positive, so plus 2. Then, just multiply, sige, distribute natin siya. So, 1/4. So, y plus 4. So, para makancel natin sa 8, multiply both sides by 8. So, 8y plus 32. So, cancel na ito. So, x. So, 8 divided by 4, that is 2. Next. So, 8y, isolate natin siya sa isang side. 8y, x plus 2 minus 32. The next step, sige, so lipat natin dito sa taas. So, 8y is equal to x minus 30. So, now this is the equation of the normal line. Letter B. Next, how many diagonals does a 16-sided regular polygon have? So, for the number of diagonals, just use this formula. So, n minus 3 over 2. So, tandaan nyo lang yung n dito is the number of sides given. So, 16 times 16 minus 3 over 2. So, let's just use your calculator. So, 16 times 16 minus 3 over 2. So, answer here is 104. Letter A. So, last question na tayo. What is the equation of the parabola in the standard form if the equation of the parabola in the general form is x squared plus 6x plus 8y minus 15? So, x squared plus 6x minus 8y, plus 8y minus 15 is equal to 0. So, ang gagawin nyo lang dito is completing the square. So, ganito lang po ginagawa si completing the square. So, x squared plus 6x, then mag-leave kayo ng blank, equal to 8y plus 15. So, nakalimutan ko. So, this is negative 8 y plus 15. So, tapos mag-leave ulit tayo ng blank. So, paano pong gagawin natin dito sa blank natin? So, itong value na to, so 6 over 2, or yung b natin, divide by 2, so 3, then square nyo po siya. So, again, yung b value nyo is, divide nyo by 2, then square nyo po. 6 divided by 2 is 3, then square is 9. So, both sides nyo po siyang i-add. So, negative 8y plus 15 plus 9 is 24. So, I think we can factor this by x plus 3 squared. Okay? So, that's the answer. Yeah, sorry, hindi pa pala ako tapos. Sorry. So, nakalimutan kong i-factor ito. So, pwede itong negative 8 times the quantity y minus 3. Okay. So, x plus 3 squared. So, answer here is letter B. So, that's all for this video. So, please click subscribe button. So, para ma-inspire pa ako mag-upload ng mga videos. Mag-upload pa po ako ng mga videos about math majorship and Prof Ed sa mga susunod na araw. So, stay tuned lang po. Thank you.